My name is Anil Kaul. I am the CEO of Absolute Data. We are a global company with a team in India and offices all over the world, and in fact most of our clients in the US. What I'm going to be talking about today is the challenges, particularly from a leadership perspective, that a company like ours faces, where most of your clients are in other countries outside of India while the delivery teams are mostly located in India. How to manage teams remotely, the kind of cultural issues and challenges one faces while working with the team, particularly in India, as well as how you can build, motivate, as well as inspire a team in a situation like that. The most important recommendation that I have is that you have to understand both the sides very well, which is you need to understand the, say for example, if you're working with a US company, the US culture, the work culture and how things work, as well as the India part of it where our team, for example, is located, and then figure out how to bring these two things together. So the challenge is certainly bigger than working in a single country, but at the same time it's a lot more interesting because you are bringing two somewhat similar but very distinct ways of doing things together and getting results which you wouldn't have gotten out of either one of those. I think the three to-dos are that human relationships and trust still matters. So you got to be in front of people irrespective of the distance. You had to travel, you had to make that happen. The second thing from my side in terms of to-dos is in terms of ensuring that you have a lot of empathy. Because the empathy is required both for understanding both the sides, and once you are able to empathize on both the sides, that is when you find good solutions to make everybody happy. That I would say is the second one. The third one is use technology as much as you can. In fact, we use technology in significantly more ways than most of the companies do. And I will give you an example. If we have a meeting with a client, many times we just record a meeting so that the team in India can later watch that meeting and understand what happened in that meeting. So we started doing that in 2002 before all these technologies were in place. So I think technology does help. But at the same time, as my first point was, the people, relationships and trust is absolutely the most critical.